I've popped in to see Jason this morning just for a checkup on my foot where I had my operation, and for Anita to remove some stitches. I wouldn't be able to pronounce the full technical name, but I had a bunion removed on my right foot, and then I had corrective surgery done on 5 separate toes. It just went so well. My mother had suffered from bunions in sort of later years and didn't actually have her corrective surgery done until she was sort of late 60s, and she had quite a lot of trouble, particularly afterwards. So I was a little bit worried how I would actually feel, but almost pain-free, hardly any swelling at all to the foot, which I was really surprised about. Obviously it was very well bandaged and packed afterwards, but very comfortable, not much swelling. The stitches were incredibly neat, and in fact, all scarring and everything sort of cleared up very, very quickly, so I was delighted. I still have got to have another operation on my left foot for a bunion, and Jason didn't recommend that I would have both feet done together, just because obviously you need sort of one good foot for balance and working on them. But now I wouldn't even hesitate or think about having the other foot done, and I would definitely recommend people to have it done sooner rather than later. From the minute I sort of checked into the hospital and had my pre-op checks, right through to really being taken down to theatre, Aubrey Bristow, who is my anaesthetist, was fantastic as well. I have to say that he sort of put me very much at ease. I have got a fear for needles, so that didn't initially bode very well, and I didn't even think about it. In fact, I don't even remember him putting the needle in for the anaesthetic, so it just all went so well. No complaints. Staff were fantastic. Aftercare was brilliant too. It just went swimmingly. I definitely would advise anybody who has sort of bunions or need corrective surgery at all on their toes. I know if you haven't been through the procedure, you probably think it's just going to be so long and drawn out, it's going to be very painful. But to leave something like that and the pain that you would experience later on, compared to a small amount of inconvenience in terms of time you might need to take off of your work, or having to rest a bit more than you normally would do, it's completely worth it. Completely worth it.